In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradingview's replay feature for free. Tradingview offers an incredible toolset for traders, and one of the most valuable tools is the bar replay feature, which allows you to simulate historical market movements. However, if you're working with a free or basic Tradingview account, there are a few limitations that you'll want to be aware of. Specifically, you'll be restricted to the replay of daily, weekly, and monthly bars only. But fear not, we'll guide you through how to maximize this tool within those boundaries to effectively test your strategies. Let's dive right in and activate the replay feature. First, you'll want to locate the bar replay icon, which you'll find on TradingView's top toolbar. It looks like two backward arrows and is quite similar to a rewind button. Simply click on this icon to get started. Next, you'll need to choose the point from which you want to start your playback. Do this by clicking anywhere on the chart. This click establishes your playback starting point, essentially allowing you to decide which part of the historical data you wish to review or simulate. Once you've set your start point on the chart, you can begin playback. TradingView provides you with play, pause, forward, and speed controls to fine-tune how the bars are replayed. As the simulation begins, these controls give you the flexibility to observe the market movements at your desired pace. You can choose to proceed bar by bar at the click of a button, or if you prefer a less hands-on approach, you can adjust the speed to let the bars advance automatically. This functionality creates a dynamic environment where you can analyze how markets moved in the past, which can be pivotal for backtesting strategies. When you're ready to conclude your replay session, or if you want to return to the current market conditions, you'll need to click Jump to Real Time. This option allows you to exit the replay mode immediately and bring your chart back to the present market environment. The replay feature, even with its limitations in a free account, provides a fantastic opportunity for manual backtesting of your strategies using historical data on a daily level. By replaying past bars, you can gain insights into how certain strategies might have played out without putting any actual capital at risk. This practice can be invaluable as you look to refine your trading techniques and make informed decisions moving forward. So, there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to use TradingView's bar replay feature with a free account. With time, practice, and careful analysis, you can harness this tool to become more adept in the trading space. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.